पढ़ो बाबा तिलका माझी SGP1 in 1750 Tilka Majhi was born in Murmu family in a small village near Bhagalpur in Bihar. The village is now called Tilakpur. The Murmus are priests among the Santals. So Tilka used to worship Marangburu from his early days. As the days went by, he grew up to be a religious man. People of all religions had great love and respect for him, and they called him Tilka Baba. Tilka was also very good at using bows and arrows. There was none in his area who could surpass him at shooting arrows from a bow. He used to train the young men of the village in shooting arrows